Hi guys, Mitch is my name. I've been making my own vape juices out of food grade ingredients for about 5 years. I make my own alcohol. I'm just going to show you a quick video of what I'm doing to make hand sanitizer for my family. I'm currently making it out of methylated spirits and 100% or 99% aloe vera gel. I do have a stock of isopropanol alcohol, which is 99.8% pure. I will be bringing that down with propylene glycol to 70% pure, which I will be putting through eBay. Let me show you the initial steps. Main reason I'm going to use methylated spirits also is because it's going to take some time to show you, and obviously the isopropanol alcohol does evaporate quite quickly. So we're just going to have 2 containers. We're going to start mixing in our jug with 1 litre of methylated spirits, which we'll measure out in the cup. It'll give us 2 500 mils. $500. Another 500. Grab some household or kitchen scales. We're looking for about 300 grams of aloe vera pure gel. Close enough. Right, we're simply going to spoon that out into our methylated spirits. Now what's going to happen at the end of this is you're going to be left with a white residue. We're just going to stir it up for a little bit. We're going to use our old methylated spirits bottle because we do have to leave it overnight to get the residue out. You'll see it's a bit cloudy with the aloe vera gel. Still quite a fair bit of gel in there. Make sure we get it all in. That's it. Throw the lid back on. Give it a good shake. And we'll show you the finishing touches tomorrow. Hi guys, Mitch again. It's tomorrow now. If you have a look, you'll see the white residue that's formed in our hand sanitizer. All we're going to do now is pour it out through a strainer into a jug. Strain is rubbish. We've got our hand sanitizer containers. We'll open one of them. I like to put a little bit of mint in it, just so it doesn't smell. This is just pure mint essence. I'll give that a stir. These are 250 ml bottles, but just to be safe, we're just going to run 200 mils. Pour it in. Lid on and open. Try that. One more. and in about 10 or 15 seconds the hands are dry, all done. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Too easy to make hand sanitizer.